Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Mia Saifur Rahman along with my YouTube channel Fair and Square. It was on the advice of my colleague, my friend, senior journalist Shahid Nazir Chaudhary, who is one of the editors at the very famous YouTube channel Urdu Point. He advised me that I am an English writer, English journalist and an English speaker. So I must go for English YouTube channel. Although I'm already coming before you on my Urdu channel Fair and Square, but now I am presenting you an English version of Fair and Square. For your information, Fair and Square has been a very popular column of mine that has been appearing off and on in the News International, one of the important prominent English newspapers of Jung newspaper group. And now I am presenting myself before you with latest facts. Before I proceed, I would request you to subscribe my channel, share it, and so that I should learn more and more from you, and we should have exchange of more and more information. So viewers, today we will talk about the Afghanistan situation and Pakistan's and its aftermath and its possible impact on Pakistan. We are concerned over here. The Prime Minister Imran Khan has also discussed that there are apprehensions that if the situation turns out to be the same as it was in 1989 after the Soviet invasion, so it will be total unrest, total chaos, a very messy situation will come. And despite the fact that Pakistan has fenced a lot of border along with Afghanistan, there are apprehensions that if Taliban overrun Kabul and take over whole of Afghanistan after the withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan, there will be total chaos in Afghanistan because of certain human rights situations. There can be civil war and there can be spillover effect for Pakistan. People from Afghanistan can come over and gather around in hundreds of thousands near the fence. It will be a big insecurity situation for Pakistan. How will Pakistan handle it? It's a question that should be asked again and again. Already our government, already our establishment, our armed forces are already taking up this matter. Parleys are going on. Sometimes discussions are going on informally and formally between Pakistan, Afghan government as well as US administration. Now there have been reports that United States wanted ground bases in Pakistan. Pakistan has airspace bases. Pakistan has allowed airspace for a limited period and over a limited area just for withdrawal of troops. And that withdrawal of troops has also been then put up on a fast track. Instead of the original deadline of September 11, now the deadline is July 4, the Independence Day of Americans. So it is a very tricky situation. Pakistan has to come out of it. Pakistan has already abandoned some of its old theories, old paradigms, old strategic systems, old strategic alignments, as also announced the other day by Prime Minister Imran Khan, who says that Pakistan has abandoned its strategic depth theory about Afghanistan that was criticized again and again. And at the same time, as I had a discussion with Pakistan's National Security Advisor, Dr. Moeed Yusuf, the other day through a Zoom discussion, that Pakistan is trying to become, now there is a big paradigm shift, and now Pakistan is trying to become a geo-economic location, a geo-economic destination as well as a strategic destination. So it will be a sort of geo-economic come strategic destination. That's a very pleasant paradigm shift, I say, and for the first time we are moving towards a better alignment in a world that is full of competition and there are so many apprehensions and so many misgivings. So Pakistan has to make a way, and so Pakistan is now determined to give economic basis to other countries, not strategic basis, not the defense basis, whether air bases or ground communications. So that's all we will discuss more and more in our next video.